Now we are looking at the ZTE Blade A75 5G, a device that stands out for its back cover, which is made of glass. Very nice. A completely different design to what we were used to ZTE. Its battery is 5000 milliamps. And although the camera module seems very advanced, in reality it only has a 50 megapixel camera, and then it will offer us a secondary camera, of which we still do not have much information. Although in the interface it seems to have a telephoto camera, in reality it is not, it is simply giving a digital zoom preset. So the maximum zoom is 10x, and in this case we find the Unisoc T760 processor, a processor that we have already tested in other ZTE devices and has left me with good impressions. Being of the 700 series is much better than those of the 600 series, so do not be disappointed from before, you have to give it the benefit of the doubt. Hopefully we will be able to test it soon.